What's going on, everybody? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to share your location here on your iPhone device. Now, we do have a lot of ways or different methods on how you can do this, and I'm going to show you all the methods in this video. You do have, for example, the very first method, which is to share it through WhatsApp, the other one through iMessage, and the other one manually from the Find My application in here that pretty much allows the selected contacts to get access to your device every single day, every single moment, without the need of having social media apps. I'm going to show you all the ways in here, and this is so cool, but ensure that you are actually giving the rights to the correct person. Otherwise, you may be giving very sensitive information, which is basically all your steps day by day of your phone. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now, the very first thing that I would recommend you to do in order for this to work smoothly and perfectly is to actually double check a few settings here on your iPhone device. So we're gonna quickly hop into settings real quick. Next up, we're gonna scroll down here all the way to privacy and security, which is located here within the fourth stack of settings. We've got privacy and security in here, and once you're here, you do have this option which says location services. So you want to hop into location services, and you want to ensure that this setting is toggled on, which says location services. Okay, it needs to be toggled on. If it's off, you need to toggle it on real quick. Next up, the next thing you want to do is simply tap in here on share my location, and you want to ensure that share my location is turned on, as well as find my iPhone. So we're gonna hop into find my iPhone and ensure that it's turned on, ensure that find my network is on, as well as send last location, because this is one of the methods on how we actually share our location with other people running an iPhone as well. So it's important to turn on all these settings right here. So once we're sure that we do have in here everything set, we're now moving into the next step. So let's jump into the very first method. I'm gonna close all the settings that we've actually managed to activate and to set. We're gonna hop into the Messages app real quick, and next up we're gonna tap in here on compose in order to compose a new message, right? Let's say that I want to send an iMessage message on my iPhone device, okay? So I'm going to search for a contact. Essentially, I'm going to search for my own contact to be more precise. Here we go. I do have my iMessage contact. Next up, I'm going to tap in here on my contact, which is my iMessage contact. Next up, as you can see, it's on blue in here. We're going to tap on plus real quick. Scroll down all the way to location. We're going to tap on location. Next up, we're going to tap on share. You do have the option which says request. Request is essentially if you want to request somebody to share his location with you. So we're going to tap in here on share as we wish to share our location. Next up, you do have in here three options which say indefinitely, until end of the day, or for 1 hour. All you need to do is just tap one of the settings according to how long you wish that a specific location to last. And as you can see, we do have 1 hour here at the top left corner, which says that this will essentially last for an hour. Next up, simply tap on send and you're good to go. You've just shared your location with somebody and you'll be good to go. This is how easy you can actually do it. Next up, you do have the second method in here, which is by using WhatsApp. Okay, so we're gonna hop into WhatsApp in here, and then we're gonna select a specific contact in order to send that specific location. Okay, so essentially I'm gonna tap in here on this contact, for example, and next up I'm gonna simply tap in here on plus, and then I'm gonna tap on location. Okay, next up I'm gonna tap on share live location, and then it's gonna ask me for how long do I wish to actually keep that location up and running. 15 minutes, an hour, or 8 hours. And then I'm gonna tap on send. So this is actually the limitation of WhatsApp. It only allows you to send up to 8 hours maximum. Now, if you're having issues sending your location here, what I would recommend you to do is to hop into settings real quick, and then let's go back. I'm gonna scroll down all the way to apps, and then I'm gonna search for WhatsApp app or whichever app I'm sending my location from. I'm gonna tap on WhatsApp, for example, and then we do have in here an option which says location. So this needs to be turned on and toggled on to always. It's very important, precise location as well, so that WhatsApp location that you've sent actually works out. This is very important, right? So this is actually the second method, and we do have the last method, which is is much more stable and the perfect one, especially if you're sending from an iPhone user to another iPhone user. Now, the first method, the iMessage one, is only from iPhone to iPhone users. The second one is from iPhone users to Android devices as well as iPhone users. It's more universal. And the third method is also exclusively for iPhone to iPhone users. Okay, so let's search for Find My App in here. If you do not have it installed, you just need to hop into the App Store and search for Find My real quick just to download the app. Now, this is an inbuilt app that comes installed already with your iPhone device, but in case you've accidentally deleted it or something like that, just search for it. It occupies around a few megabytes. Download it and then open it real quick. Next up, we're gonna tap on Me real quick, and then next up, we're gonna simply tap in here on Plus and then tap on Share My Location. And then over here, all you need to do is simply type in the specific contact that you wish to share your location with. Now, this needs to be a contact which has iPhone or iCloud account. Okay, I'm gonna tap on Next. The other way is to hop into People and tap on Start Sharing Location, and then simply search for a contact selected and then start sharing your location with that specific person. This is how easy you can actually share. Now, one thing I would recommend you to do once you've set up the location sharing, especially the last one, I would recommend to perform a forced restart on your iPhone just to ensure that all settings that you've changed in here will actually be well activated and saved properly, right? We've made a few changes, so it's important to restart. Now, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, in order to restart your iPhone force restarted, rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button. This will actually avoid your phone getting slow if you've just turned it on, because your phone will keep on constantly updating the location. I'm still pressing and holding the power button for approximately 7 to 8 seconds max. Once you see the Apple logo, release it and let it turn on normally. So this is basically something that will restart and refresh your phone so it doesn't lag and it does not delete any sort of data as well, so you do not need to worry about that. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button continuously for 7 to 8 seconds and then release it once you see the Apple logo and let it turn back on. Now, if you have a much older device with a physical home button in here, such as an iPhone 6, an iPhone 5.4, in order to perform a forced restart, it's quite easy. All you need to do is press and hold that physical home button along with the power button here continuously until you see the Apple logo, and then you're gonna release it immediately. Now, please note that in much older iPhone devices, the power button can be located at the top and not here on the right. This is how easy you can actually share your location with other people on your iPhone device. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech-related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here, so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.